that's the new setup. We've got stereo mic here with foams, then fluffies, and then some Velcro here over the ends of the mic so that when air comes in from the side it doesn't cause dropouts. I've also got some little fluffies on the mic itself so that when it's raining I can chuck the full side and still have wind protection there. Also, I have the grip that goes on the handlebars, and I made a little thing out of PVC pipe to create a little tripod. That's the original tripod, but in order to make it quickly deployable, I changed it to that.